Ready? Good morning, students. I welcome you all into this online class, and that is the second day of your class 8. So, as you already know that we have already discussed about previous topics, that was crop and the types of crop, Rabi crop, cash crop, and many others. So here the next topic that we will discuss today is preparation of soil. How the soil is prepared. Since I have already told you class, the most important thing for cultivating any of the crop is preparation of soil. How the soil is prepared. So there are following steps to prepare the soils. So firstly, if you are talking about preparation of soil, whenever we visit the field, firstly we check whether the soil that in which we are going to cultivate the crop is wet or dry. If the soil is dry in this condition, if you use the plower may be broken. So firstly we irrigate. But in case of generally it is depend that the soil is not the soil is not dry. So in these conditions, firstly we plow the field. So the process that is written here, the first step is what is plowing. So listen to me very carefully. Plowing is a process in which the soil is getting loosened or turned. Okay? Means the breaking down of soil into teeny particles or just loosening the soil from the field. You as well as you already know that after just growing the crops, we leave the field and the soils of the field get stuck to each other. Just because of it, we use a machine that is known as plower, or we can say it plow. Okay? So plow is a machine that is used to loosening or turning the soil. After loosening and turning the soil, we get the chunks. Okay? We get the chunks. So leveling is a process. Do you know what is leveling? A very large wooden piece, a very large wooden block of piece is taken and bind back to the tractors or any other machines, and the tractors pull that wooden blocks, and that blocks, when the blocks is getting pulled, the chunks at the time of plowing, the chunks that is taken out from the field is removed out by the process of leveling. So we can say the process of breaking of big chunks of soil in teeny particles with the help of leveler is called leveling. Clear? Now the field is leveled. What will we do? Leveling the field means breaking the big chunks in form of teeny particles. So now the soil is prepared to just grow the crop. So firstly, we use manure. Now listen. It is not necessary that you will manure first or later. It's dependent upon the types of crop. If you are growing rabi crop, okay, then there is not huge amount of manuring. But in case of rainy season, means I am talking about kharif crop, it is very necessary to firstly manure the crops. Why? Because in these conditions, fungicides, here I have written fungicides, there are many more chances to become the seeds or become the any other things to become just get spreaded and get disease by the damaged by the fungus. So firstly we manure those fields. So what is manure? We can say the process of adding manure or fertilizer in the field. This may be before sowing of seed or after sowing of seed. So here you got two new lines, that is manure and what is fertilizer. So manure can be seen as biocompost or an organic substance, organic manufacturing materials that is just made by cow dung, many other decomposition of the substances such as the plants, the animals and their etc. Okay, their excisions. And fertilizer is made in the factories. Fertilizer is made in the factories such as you can say urea and many other compost. Okay, so either manure or fertilizer is added in the field, and this adding process is known as manure. Clear? So now next topic, we have already plowed the field. Now leveling, manuring has been done already. So the next topic is sowing the seed. Now you have to sow the seed. So what you have to do? So we can say that sowing the seed, after the process of plowing, leveling and manuring, the last process that comes is you have to select the seed firstly. So first of all, you have to select a good quality of seed. Now the question arises in your mind, how will you select the good quality of seed? So listen, for selecting good quality of seed, the most important thing to check the seed that you have taken is disease free or not. There is a process I am telling you first time. Listen. Whenever you take that seed and just dip that seed inside the water, the seed that is of good quality will sink inside, and the seed that is of bad quality will start floating over the water. So by this help, you can get that the seed is of good quality or of bad quality. Okay. So sowing the seed, you have to firstly check the quality of the seed, and if you have checked the quality of the seed already, then just after this you have to what? Sow that seed in the field. After sowing, one more important thing, that is spreading of fungicides. So question is, why we spread fungicides in the field? And the answer is, fungicide is such a chemical substance that kills the fungus. And fungus are very harmful. They can damage the seed, and when the seed gets damaged, it will not grow as a plant. So just because of it, after sowing the seed, we spread fungicides in the field. Rest of the steps we will discuss in the next class. So just note down all this topic in your notes, and if you face any doubts, you can ask and write questions. You can ask the questions in your group. Thank you for today. Bye.